Hi, in this video I will show you how to migrate from Google Workspace to Office 365. So in order to do this and in order to switch from Google Workspace to the Office 365 offered by Microsoft, what you can do is you need to first sign up for Microsoft 365 for Business. Then from in there you can set up the Microsoft 365 for Google Workspace migration. You just need to validate your own domain that you use in Google Workspace, add users, and set up basic security to your devices. You also need to set up the Windows security separately in the setup page of the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, and then add your Google Workspace domain to Microsoft 365. Now, from in this part, install the Office apps and Microsoft Teams for all the people that will use this particular migration tool, and then migrate everyone's email and calendar items. Connect the domain to Microsoft 365 that you previously used from Google Workspace, and you can use the Migration Manager to move everyone's data from Google Drive to OneDrive. After you have successfully migrated those, you can discontinue the Google Workspace and keep your domain with using the actual Office 365 option. So that's how you migrate from Google Workspace to Office 365. Hope we helped.